Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the SpeakUp Show. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jack. And today's episode is going to be super funny because Lily had a very interesting taxi adventure.
Please don't remind me. I'm still embarrassed.
You'll love this story. And you'll learn useful English for taking a taxi, plus how to handle funny confusions when someone misunderstands you.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new English lesson.
All right, let's jump into the the lesson.
Okay, picture this. Yesterday, I got into a taxi. I sat down and said, "Excuse me, can you take me to Green Park, please?"
That's a perfect, polite sentence.
Yes, but the driver looked at me, smiled, and said, "Madam, green? Which green? Light green or dark green?"
No way! He thought you were talking about colors?
Exactly. I was so confused. I said, no, Green Park, the place, the location.
Great phrase, by the way. The place, the location. It helps when someone misunderstands you.
So we start driving. After 2 minutes, he asks me, "Madam, should I go left or right?"
But you don't know the way.
Exactly. I thought he knew. So I said, maybe right, I think.
Dangerous answer! In a taxi, you can always say, "Sorry, I'm not sure. Please follow your GPS."
Yes. Or, "Could you check the map, please?"
Very natural.
Then he said something even more strange. He asked me, "Madam, do you want fast or slow?"
Fast or slow, like a roller coaster?
That's exactly what I imagined. I replied, normal? Safe speed?
Good answer. If a driver asks that, you can simply say, "Please drive at a normal speed," or "Safety first, please."
Then he turned on super loud music, like boom, 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 boom. I jumped and said, "Excuse me, can you turn it down, please?"
Nice, polite request.
But he heard something else. He said, "Oh, you want my Bluetooth? Okay, connect."
He thought you wanted to play your music.
Yes, I was like, no, please lower the volume. I just want it quieter.
Good phrases to remember. Could you turn it down? Could you lower the volume? A little quieter, please. By the way, sometimes taxi drivers talk a lot. Sometimes they stay quiet. Both are normal depending on the country.
Yes, and if you don't want to talk, you can politely say, "I'm a little tired. I'll just rest for a bit." Or, "I'm going to listen to some music," if that's okay. Very polite and friendly.
And if you do want to talk, you can ask, "How is your day going?" Or, "Is the traffic usually this busy?"
So we finally reached Green Park. I said, "Could you stop here, please?"
Perfect phrase.
But he stopped like 30 meters ahead. I asked, "Why did you go forward?" And he said, "Madam, you said stop here, please. This is also here."
Oh no, technically he's not wrong. If you need exact stopping, say, "Right here, please," or "Please stop at this exact spot."
Or just point at the place and say, "Here, please. Yes, here. I do that now.
Let's quickly review the useful phrases from your interesting taxi adventure.
Sure. Can you take me to Green Park, please? Great for telling your destination.
The place, the location. Use it when someone misunderstands you.
Could you check the map, please, when you don't know the way?
Please drive at a normal speed. Safety first, please.
Could you turn it down? / could you lower the volume?
And the classic, "Right here, please."
Trust me, that one saves lives.
All right, everyone. That's today's episode. We hope you enjoyed Lily's confused but brave taxi experience.
I survived and I learned, and now you can learn too, so your next taxi ride isn't a comedy show like mine.
If you liked today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new English lesson.
And here's our question for you. Have you ever had a funny transportation experience? Taxi, bus, train, anything. Tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories.
Thanks for watching the Speak Up Show. See you next time.
Bye!